Raksha, and I hope that you all are real safe at your home and doing great. So another thing is, thank you so much on clicking on this video, because today this video is on divisibility rules. Divisibility rules from 2 to 10. And if you want to learn about divisibility rules, so you are on the right way. So let's get continue.
Divisibility rule of 2. The last digit is even number. For example, I am giving you some examples of even number that are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. I am giving you one example of any number. 78 I have given you. 78, the last number is 8. So 8 is an even number. So it is divisible of 2. I am proofing it. 78. 2, 3 ja 6. It will come down. Okay. 2 9 ja 18. So it will cut full. So this is the divisibility rule of 2. This is only the proof. This is only proof. Okay. Is it clear? Divisibility rule of 3. The sum of all numbers or all digits is multiple of 3. Alright, so divisibility rule of 3 is the sum of all digits is multiple of 3. Example 1, 3, 6, 8. 1368 I have given you. So we will all add all the terms. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. Alright, it gives 18, which is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of 4. The last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Example, I have given you 1, 3, 2, 0 means 1320. Last 2 digits are 2 and 0, that makes 20. 20 divide by 4. Because the divisibility rule is that the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. That should be divisible by 4. So last 2 digits are 20. Divide by 4 gives 5. Okay. Now divisibility rule of 5 is the last digit must be end with 0 or 5. Example 25. In this digit, last number is 5. So that should be end by 0 or 5, and the last number of this digit is 5. So this is divisible by 5. 25 is divisible by 5. Now we will take another example. 180. Last digit is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 5. Now the divisibility rule of 6. The number must be divisible by 2 and 3. So they are saying that to find the divisibility rule of 6, first we have to find the same of 2 and 3. Means we have to find that the number is divisible by first 2 and 3 or not. So we have to see that. For example, I am taking 114. Okay, so first we have to divisible it by 2. Okay, the last number is 4. The last number is 4, means it is even number, and even number is divisible by 2. So we will write the last number is even. So yes, it is the divisibility by 2. Okay, now with third we will find out 114. We will add all this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 equals to 6, and 6 is multiple of 3. Okay, so yes. So yes, 144 is divisible by 6. Are you clear with this? Hey guys, so I hope that you understood the divisibility rules, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the like button. Thank you everyone.